Co-Draft Academy of Law presents videos on current affairs and general knowledge. Topic 1. Science behind dark energy. Dark energy is an unknown form of energy. It is considered to be the most profound mystery in all of science. It fills up around 68% space of the universe, whereas dark matter cover around 27%. Scientists have always been curious about its formulation, and very recently they have managed to detect it too. An unpredictable result was noticed in an underground experiment, Xenon 1T in Italy, and it was being speculated that it might be because of dark energy. It was also observed that such experiments that are used to discover dark matter can also be executed to find dark energy. Topic 2. What is Center of Excellence, CO, on quantum technologies? The Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, has introduced a Center of Excellence, CO, on quantum technologies. It will have a compilation of all IIT Delhi's research and development with respect to quantum technologies. The aim will be to work on the synergy and coherence in the center. Help will also be extended to the principal investigators to generate funds from the DST or other such entities. Quantum computing, communication, sensing, metrology, etc. will be focus of research for quantum technology. Topic 3. Transfer of Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, CMERI, to Asansol Solar and LED House and MECO Solar and Infrastructure Associates. Very recently, the solar DC cooking technology, which was developed by the Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, CMERI, has been passed on to Asansol Solar and LED House in West Bengal and MECO Solar and Infrastructure Associates. DC cooking system comprises of components like solar PV panel, a charge controller, a battery bank, and also a cooking oven. This technology is considered to be unique because it promotes a cleaner and a more environment-friendly cooking environment, quicker form of heating, and also has the capacity to save approximately 1 ton of carbon dioxide emissions per house in a year. Topic 4. Have people in Mumbai developed immunity against COVID-19? As per the 5th Blood Serum Survey, also called the Sero Survey, was performed on approximately 8,674 between August and September in Mumbai. It was found out that around 65% of them were vaccinated. It has also been found out that over 90% of the population of Mumbai have developed the antibodies required to fight COVID-19. Also, females are said to have more antibodies in comparison with males. The report by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, BMC, mentioned that, as the seroprevalence amongst those who are vaccinated is much higher than the unvaccinated counterparts, it is essential to strengthen the ongoing COVID-19 vaccination program. Recap. What is dark energy? Which center has been introduced by Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, and what is its goal? Question mark. What was the result of Sero survey that was conducted in Mumbai? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.